balanced chemical equation, Sanger replacement. So in here, we have the more complicated entity on the right side, NaOH. So we can begin with that. So I see that there are 3 hydrogens on the right side and 2 hydrogens on the left side. So I will want I want an even number. So put a 2 here. So that becomes 2 Na and then 2 oxygens. And we have 4 hydrogens on the right side. So I will put a 2 here and a 2 here. Let's see. 2 Na, 4 H, and 2 O's. And we're done. Left-hand side equals to right-hand side is balanced. Here's the yo-yo, and have fun.